Understanding your unmonitored ADT alarm system.
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to talk about the features and limitations of an ADT alarm system that is not connected to a monitoring service. While many people choose to have their security systems monitored, some might prefer not to, and it's crucial to understand what that means for the functionality of your ADT system.
What are the features of an unmonitored ADT alarm system?
An unmonitored ADT alarm system still retains many of its most fundamental security features. It acts as a deterrent to potential intruders and can provide a sense of security for homeowners. 1. Intrusion detection. These systems are equipped to detect intrusion attempts such as door and window openings, and motion detection within the home. 2. Local alarms. If a sensor is triggered, the system can sound an audible alarm in the house to scare off intruders and alert the homeowners of a potential security breach. 3. Fire and carbon monoxide detection. Some ADT systems are equipped with smoke and carbon monoxide detectors. If these detectors are triggered, they will sound an alarm. 4. DIY troubleshooting. Without a monitoring service, the user will be in complete control of the system and can perform troubleshooting as and when needed.
What are the limitations of an unmonitored ADT alarm system?
Despite the features, an unmonitored ADT alarm system does come with a few limitations. 1. No professional monitoring. The most significant drawback is that there will be no professional response team monitoring your security 24/7. This means that in case of a break-in, fire, or other emergencies, you or someone in the vicinity would need to contact the appropriate emergency services. 2. No remote notifications. Without a monitoring service, the system cannot send notifications to your smartphone or another device when a sensor is triggered. 3. Limited connectivity options. ADT's unmonitored systems may not provide all the smart home integration options available with monitored systems. This might limit your ability to connect and manage the security system along with other smart devices in your home. 4. Self-maintenance. You will need to be more proactive about maintaining your system, ensuring all devices are functional and batteries are fully charged. There you have it. Now you understand the features and limitations of an ADT alarm system that's not connected to a monitoring service. Weighing these factors, you can make a more informed decision about whether this type of system is right for your security needs. Stay safe out there, and remember that understanding your security system is the first step to a safer home.